Everybody, listen, we're getting ready for trial in about 3 weeks, Federal District Court of Minnesota. We got an employment case. It's a retaliation case. I wanted to give you some tips on how to prove up retaliation in an employment case. Remember, in employment law, an employer can fire you for any reason or no reason, even a stupid reason. The only thing it can't do is fire you for an illegal reason. One illegal reason is retaliation. Retaliation for what? For either making a complaint of discrimination, for requesting a disability accommodation, or blowing the whistle. So if there's some unlawful conduct, they can't retaliate because you bring it up. A good employer is never going to say that they terminated you for an illegal reason. They're going to make up a legal reason. So they'll say, oh, he was a bad performer. Oh, he was absent all the time, something like that. So now how do you prove that that's not the real reason, but the real reason is retaliation? The answer is pretext. Pretext is just a fancy way of saying you prove that the reason they've said is not worthy of belief. Nobody should believe it was because of performance. How do you show that it's pretext? One way is timing of events. So for example, if you've worked at a place for 5 years, 7 years, you make a complaint about discrimination or you request an accommodation, and then 2 days later you're fired, that timing gives rise to an inference that, hey, it couldn't have been performance because he's been here forever, and 2 days after he makes a complaint, he's fired. Another way is you just show that what they're saying isn't true. You're saying performance, but I've gotten great performance reviews every single year. Or you just told me I'm a great worker here. So that's the second way, is you just show that what they're saying isn't true. Or you just show that it doesn't make any sense. So you're saying you terminated me for performance, but these 4 other people here that have the exact same job I do have been rated lower than me. And you're keeping them and terminating me when I'm the one who made the complaint. So that means that this performance reason isn't really worthy of belief. So there's a bunch of other ways to show pretext. The general idea is attack, attack, attack. Whatever they are saying is their reason for termination, and show that nobody should believe it. Thanks so much. Stay strong.